Now 123 miles away and 19 miles in altitude. Traveling now at a rate of 2,600 miles per hour. 7.5 minutes to go until touchdown.
Discovery, take air data.
Take air data.
2 air data probes on the left and right side of Discovery's nose are now gathering atmospheric pressure data for the shuttle's onboard guidance system. They do that by measuring the speed of the wind flowing past the shuttle. Good view of Discovery here, still 73 miles away from Kennedy Space Center and 15 miles up, traveling 1,700 miles per hour with 6 minutes to go.
Discovery Houston, you are on energy approaching the hack. No changes to winds and weather. Go for nominal shoot deploy.
Copy. Copy, Houston, nominal shoot deploy.
Discovery will soon be approaching the imaginary circle leading towards the runway that's created by the microwave scan beam landing system. That allows the commander and pilot to guide the vehicle as it makes its final approach to runway 33 at Kennedy Space Center. There, the commander will take control of the shuttle steering once its speed is dropped below Mach 1. It's at 1.2 right now, Mach 1 being the speed of sound. Discovery is currently traveling 800 miles per hour, 68 miles away from Kennedy Space Center, and less than 10 miles in altitude. Discovery will be making its left-hand overhead turn of 200 degrees before it's lined up with runway 33. And Commander Alan Poindexter is now at the controls of Space Shuttle Discovery as it's reached subsonic speeds. Those sonic booms announcing Discovery's arrival. It's now just 68 miles away from Kennedy Space Center, 27,000 feet in altitude, and traveling 530 miles per hour.
Discovery on at the 180.
On at the 180.
Pilot Jim Dutton now taking over controls of the shuttle for a moment. That call from Capcom Rick Sturko indicates the shuttle has 180 degrees to go in its turn around toward runway 33. All continuing to look good on board Discovery as it makes its way home. 68 miles to go. Currently 3 miles in altitude and traveling 420 miles per hour.
Discovery, you are on at the 90.
On at the 90.
And Commander Alan Poindexter now back in control of Space Shuttle Discovery. Just 2 minutes now until touchdown.
Houston Discovery, runway in sight.
Roger.
Less than a minute and a half until touchdown. Discovery is now descending at a rate 20 times higher and 7 times steeper than what a commercial airline would experience on its final approach. One minute now to touchdown. Discovery's landing gear will be locked down and into place at 300 feet in altitude. It's currently 3,500 feet and traveling at a rate of 370 miles per hour. "30 seconds until touchdown. Main gear, landing gear now down and locked. Main gear touchdown. Pilot Jim Dutton now deploying the drag chute. Nose gear touchdown. That brings an end to the STS-131 mission, the 131st Space Shuttle flight, and the 33rd to the International Space Station. Discovery left Florida on April 5th with 7.6 tons of new science equipment and spare parts, including equipment that should improve the station's capability for Earth observation work, equipment that could help astronauts avoid muscle atrophy and scientists better understand muscle atrophy, and equipment that will help keep the station systems cooling properly. Discovery brings home with it the last large return load from the station, 2 tons of used equipment.
Roger, wheel stop Discovery, welcome home. Dex, congratulations to you and the crew on an outstanding mission. There are no immediate post-landing deltas. We'll meet you on page 5-3 of the entry checklist.
Houston Discovery, thanks for those words, CJ. It was a great mission. We enjoyed it. We enjoyed working with you and all the teams in Mission Control.